I thought that to celebrate oncoming Christmas, I would leave you, my faithful viewer, to choose between three possible resurrection slash restoration project, and I would do a small series of resurrection, well, restoration videos of the object you would choose. So you see the three objects there, and I'll go over each and let you decide which one to take. So the very first object is this AVO Multimeter. It's a multimeter from, I'd say, around 1940. I do have a schematic of it. I do not know what its internal state is. I haven't opened it yet, and so I have no idea whether it would still work or not. It has a few visible defects, but aside from that, I have no clue what its actual state is. So that would be the first candidate for a resurrection slash restoration. And like I said, it could be a few episodes, maybe 2 or 3, even 4 if it turns out to be complex. Right, so this is the AVO Multimeter. On we go to this little object. Now this is a portable TV from the early or mid 1960s. It's a SANYO CADNICA portable black and white TV, and the seller told me that it doesn't work, and that's about as much as he told me. So I must assume it gives no image, no sound, no nothing. I do have a schematic of it. In fact, if I remember correctly, it's even a service manual. So technically, at least, I should be able to repair it. Now, it's pretty beaten up. I mean, plenty of scuff marks, scratches, dirt, and of course we don't know whether the picture tube still functions and or if there are problems with the high voltage section of the TV, which would of course immediately kill off the project. Nevertheless, I'm willing to give it a try, certainly as a resurrection, and if we manage to resurrect it as a restoration project, I would estimate about 4 episodes, maybe less, maybe a few more. And then we move on to the final and weirdest project, and that's this little thing here. Now this is a Star Lite radio transceiver. Yes, you heard me right. It is, in effect, broadcast and CB radio in one. The way I discovered it was, well, obviously it's written in large letters on the model shield you see down there, but initially I saw only this picture, and I wondered what that big red button was until I enlarged the picture a little bit, and I saw on this little gold bezel here, on the left I saw 27 MC and on the right BC. Now 27 MC is the shorthand for 27 megacycles, or 27 megahertz. And associating this with the large push button you see on the left of the object, I immediately realized that it was a sort of a walkie-talkie. Now, right next to it, here on this little bezel, you see BC, and that's the shorthand for broadcast. So not before Christ, but broadcast. So yes, it's typically, the style I would say is typical of the early 1960s. So my guess would be that this was manufactured somewhere around the 1960s, early 1960s. Now, I do have a little problem. That is that despite many searches on the internet for information over this specific model of walkie-talkie, I couldn't find anything. Not even a picture, not even a schematic. So, my appeal to you is that if you want to see me resurrect and restore this cute little walkie-talkie slash radio, broadcast band or AM radio, then please, if you have a schematic of it, or if you know someone who has one, help me out and send me a copy of the schematic. It would help me very much in restoring it. Alright, so here you go. These are three possible potential resurrection slash restoration projects. So if you're interested to see me resurrect or restore this, the AVO Multimeter, leave a small comment down below the video. If you want me to restore slash resurrect the SANYO CADNICA black and white portable, then leave that in the comment. Or if you want to see me repair, restore and resurrect the Star Lite radio transceiver, then leave that in the comment down below. Of course, you're welcome to leave any other comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't so already. And I would thank you for watching. So until next time, bye and thank you.